How to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to temporarily deactivate WhatsApp, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then make sure to launch your WhatsApp Messenger application. Now WhatsApp does not give you a feature where you can actually just deactivate it, so instead what you can do is you can either choose to delete your account or you can just stop using WhatsApp for the time being. So if you want to delete it, you can tap the profile icon here, just go to account here and tap on delete account and just make sure to enter your phone number and tap the delete account option. But if that is not what you're looking for, what you can instead try to do is you can just try to turn off notifications for this. So first of all, go to chats, go to chat backup and make sure you have backed up your WhatsApp chat if that is much more important to you. After you've done that, what you can just try to do is you can just long press the WhatsApp app icon here and then tap the I icon in order to come to the app info page. After that, you can just try going to storage here, and once you go to storage you can clear the cache files, and now you can just go to notifications and then disable notifications and uninstall WhatsApp. This way you can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.